To make homemade pancakes, we need 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, then combine 1 cup of whole milk with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Set it aside as the vinegar does its thing. In a large mixing bowl, sift 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk and ensure that everything has been thoroughly combined. And back to our homemade buttermilk. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Then whisk to combine. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. The secret to fluffy pancakes is to not overmix the batter. That being said, do not overmix. Mix until barely just combined. This batter will be lumpy, no worries. Don't worry about the lumps, leave it alone, leave it lumpy, okay? The lumps help create fluffier pancakes. Now, using a non-stick frying pan over medium heat, spray a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Pour half a cup of the batter into the frying pan. Cook for a few minutes until golden on the bottom and a few bubbles start to appear on top. Then flip and cook for an additional minute or until golden brown. Cook the pancakes in batches, adding more non-stick cooking spray to the pan as you go. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Do you know the history of pancakes? Watch this.
Ever wondered how pancakes came to be? Today, we're exploring the pancake's history. Originating from the Stone Age, our ancestors used ground grains and water. The earliest form of pancakes dates back more than 30,000 years. Fast forward to ancient Greece and Rome, Taginites' ancient pancakes were a staple food enjoyed with honey and spices for a delectable treat. Now, let's journey to the Middle Ages. Shrove Tuesday before Lent is when people used all their eggs, milk, and sugar for pancakes. Hence the term Pancake Day was born. The pancake story doesn't stop there. In the 17th century, colonists made their version using cornmeal. The tradition continues to this day. In the 19th century, baking powder was invented, transforming pancake making. Pancakes became fluffy and light, a beloved modern staple. Who could forget the iconic maple syrup? Canada in the early 20th century became syrup's largest producer. Pancakes found their perfect partner. From the Stone Age to the modern day, pancakes have evolved and adapted, reflecting each era's tastes and resources. They've journeyed from simple grain mixtures to syrupy delights. Pancakes have stood the test of time, pleasing sweet tooths worldwide for millennia and aren't disappearing soon. So next time you're enjoying a stack, remember every pancake has a story to tell. Before we wrap up this delicious journey through pancake history, don't forget to subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen for more such delectable history lessons. If this video has tantalized your taste buds and ignited your curiosity, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more culinary journeys through time. Thank you for watching, and always remember, every pancake, every bite has a story to tell. And now, back to Kelvin.
Now, if you have picky eaters that don't like fluffy pancakes, I got you. Make them thin pancakes. If your picky eater likes thin pancakes, then overmix the batter. By overmixing the batter, you are developing gluten from the flour, resulting in much thinner and flatter pancakes. And you would cook your thin pancakes the same way you cook the fluffy ones until golden brown, about 3 minutes per side. I know that thin pancakes are not ideal, but when you have people at home that don't like fluffy pancakes, what are you gonna do? Make them thin ones! And they sure do love them. And there you guys have it, homemade pancakes. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.